Hey Dan, here we go. I got it up and running. It's steam up to 150 pounds, the pop-off valve. It looks like it's steaming a little bit there, so it will go off. It's real good. It's running really good. Nice whistle. Water pump. Fill and drain is right here. And a nice firebox. Ash pan is down below it right there. This handle doesn't get hot. Blower's right here. There it makes it really good. The pop-off valve should go off here in a minute. It's right at 150. Depends on how accurate the old gauge is, too. Anyway, that's about it. I'll post this for you.